A federal appeals court today upholding a $5 million civil verdict that writer E. Jean Carroll won against President-elect Donald Trump. A jury awarded the sum to Carroll after finding Trump liable for sexually abusing her and then defaming her after she went public with the allegations. Mr. Trump has denied Carroll's claim, with his team responding to today's verdict, calling it, in their words, a Democratic-funded Carroll hoax, and saying they will continue to appeal. Gabe Gutierrez is joining us now. And Gabe, the former president is still appealing an $83 million defamation suit in a separate but related case. Is there any expectation that he'll win that appeal?
Well, Valerie, if you talk to the Trump team, they would say yes, but it remains an open question right now. And as you said, these are two separate lawsuits. And the one we're talking about today that Trump was challenging was the $5 million verdict in damages. There's that $83 million one that came after the first one. A jury decided that Carroll deserved much more in damages, $83 million. Now, as you said, the Trump transition is saying that this is all politically motivated, and so now the question becomes what will happen to that second lawsuit and whether it does have any success on appeal. But again, it remains an open question at this point, Valerie.
Also breaking late today, President-elect Trump came out and endorsed House Speaker Mike Johnson for re-election just a few days ahead of what is expected to be a tough fight on the House floor Friday. Will Mr. Trump's endorsement get Speaker Johnson the support that he needs?
That's right. It was a complete and total endorsement, according to the social media post. And Valerie, this comes just days, really, after that contentious fight to avoid a government shutdown. And it could prove pivotal for House Speaker Mike Johnson, because with his margin in the House so sharp, so tight, he cannot afford to lose many Republican votes. In fact, one Congressman, Thomas Massey, has said that he will already vote against House Speaker Mike Johnson. So at this point, Johnson can only afford to lose one more Republican. So the hope is that by Trump coming out so forcefully in his defense right now, he may be able to hold on to his speakership when Congress returns in the next few days, Valerie.
All right. Gabe Gutierrez, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.